I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing prerequisites: a stable 5 kW power feed and a backup supply. Make sure grounding is flawless. Next, assemble the temporal frame. Position superconducting coils with a 1/2 meter aperture and vibration damping to 0. 5 mm accuracy, since motion ruins phase coherence. Calibrate your timing with an atomic clock to within 0.01 millisecond against UTC, because once you open a window, accurate time references prevent drift and misalignment that could invalidate the jump. You now drive the phase stabilization routine. Slowly ramp the magnetic flux at 0.1 Tesla per second until you reach the 3.0 Tesla target and watch temperatures. Keep them under 70 degrees Celsius. Once done, engage the phase-locked loop and tighten feedback until phase error drops below 0.001 radian, because precise phase holds the temporal displacement steady. Meanwhile, maintain vacuum at 10 to the -6 torr and a thermal gradient under 0.2 degrees per meter to eliminate decoherence and stray perturbations. You perform the transition with a controlled pulse. Deliver a 10 millisecond burst at the calibrated phase while watching telemetry streams in real time, because immediate data shows success or anomaly. After transit, deploy redundant timestamp beacons at both departure and arrival coordinates to anchor your return reference and verify beacon sync. If anything goes wrong, abort. Trigger the rollback on phase error greater than 0.01 radian or temperature above 75 degrees Celsius. Then follow the safe rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.